Have you ever wondered why your CPU is maxed out while your GPU is chilling at 50%? Today, I'll show you how to fix that bottleneck, optimize Windows, and boost your gaming performance. Well, let's understand what is the bottleneck. A CPU bottleneck happens when your processor can't keep up with your GPU. The result: low FPS, stuttering, and bad gaming performance. Alright, don't worry. We will fix that today by optimizing Windows, tweaking settings, and making sure your GPU does the heavy lifting. So you wanna go to the settings. Once you are here, let's go to gaming section, the game bar, and make sure you turn off the game bar. Go to game mode. Make sure you turn on this game mode. It helps optimizing your gaming or your games. And then you want to go to graphics, and from here make sure you turn on the optimizations for Windows games. Alright, and on advanced graphics settings, so make sure you turn on the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, and from here you want to add a desktop app or a game, and you want to change the GPU preference to high performance. Alright, let's go to adjust power plant settings and make sure your Windows is running in high performance. How to do that? Just simply go to search bar and search for edit power plan. As you can see here from control panel, just click on that and go to power options in here and make sure you select high performance. So in Windows you must turn off the background apps. How to do that? Just simply go to search for background apps or apps, type background apps. It will appear installed apps instead of background apps in Windows 11. Just click on installed apps, and from here you want to get rid of all apps that are unnecessary in your computer. Alright, let's see. For example, 7-zip. If I use this 7-zip, I keep it. If I don't use it, just uninstall it. Just make sure you install all unnecessary apps and you are ready to go. So how to turn off the background apps? Go to the apps that are running in the background, and if you see the advanced option, just click on the three dots here, and if you see the advanced options, that means it can be running in the background. So as you can see, background apps permission, so you want to set to never, and that's it. As you can see, if just check all the apps that you have installed in your PC and see if they are running in the background. Alright, let's say for example the notepad. If I click on advanced option, background app permission, so I can set to never. As you can see, you want to do that with all your apps. Alright, so I'm gonna close this, and we are going to move to adjust the view of Windows. I'll type view advanced system settings. As you can see, just click on that and click on settings from here, and you want to change to custom, and make sure you uncheck all these marks here, except the peak and show thumbnails instead of icons, smooth edges of screen fonts, and use drop shadows or icon labels on the desktop. Alright, once you've done that, just click apply and move to the next section, which is advanced in the virtual memory. You want to change this to 4 gigs. I recommend you to just let it 4 gigs, and you wanna uncheck this box here, automatically manage paging file size for all drives. and you wanna select C drive, which is my SSD drive, and you wanna choose custom size and type 4096 in both of initial size and maximum size, and click on set and OK, and apply, OK, and restart required. Another step which is important also, you want to go to search again and search for ns config system configuration. Click on that, go to boot, and from here click on advanced options, and make sure you select the number of processors you have. Select the highest value. If you have 8, if you have 12, if you have anything, just select the highest value, and then click OK, and go to services, and make sure you hide all Microsoft services from here, and you want to uncheck services that are unnecessary. For example, Intel, that's my Intel graphic card, because I have NVIDIA graphic card, so why do I use Intel? Alright, so I use NVIDIA for rendering and for display and for everything, because I am in a desktop, not a laptop. If you are in a laptop, just do not disable that. Okay, so once you've done that, just disable unnecessary services, and don't worry if you disable all of them, nothing wrong will happen. It's just services that can run automatically, or you can go back to here and run these services if you are worried about that. Just click apply, and you want to go to startup and open task manager from here, and you want to disable all apps in here. I mean it, all apps, because if you need any app, you want to go manually and search for it and run that app in your system simply without letting the apps in here. That makes Windows a little bit slower when starting. Okay, just close this window, click apply, and click OK, and restart required. All right, and I think that's it for the Windows optimization. I'm gonna move to the next step, some registry tweaks here. And before we start that, we need to make sure that we have our restore point. So how do you do that? Just type restore and create a restore point. Okay, just click on create from here, and you want to create a restore point in case if something went wrong, so you will restore the system from that restore point that you have created. All right, so once you have created the restore point, the download link will be in description below, and you want to download this pack. This pack is a registry tweaks, let's say, and I already applied those registry tweaks on my computer, and I see a huge difference between before and after. You want to go for all of them, just double click and yes, and click OK for all of them, as you can see. So once you've done that, you want to go to programs, and you want to open up the O&O Shutup 10++. This little app can reduce the processors in the background that are unnecessary. So you want to run this app, and you simply want to go to actions, and from here just click on apply only recommended settings. Alright, as you can see, every settings in here, you can read that by yourself and make sure what it does and how it works. Okay, but I do recommend you to apply only recommended settings, and it will ask you to, do you want to create a system restore point? Just say yes. Okay, I have already done that, so I don't need to repeat that. Okay, but once you've done that, just click the app and okay, and restart your computer. All right, so the last thing I'm going to show you is a program called ParkControl. You want to download the ParkControl from your browser and install it simply, and you want to open it. It's called ParkControl, and open it up and make sure you select the high performance in here, and make sure you turn these off and everything in is 100%. As you can see, just turn the parking off and the frequency scaling turn off, the parking also off, and the frequency scaling off on battery and unplugged in. Okay, and click apply. Okay, and click OK. That's it. The last step, which is the graphic card, we are going to give the NVIDIA graphic card maximum performance so it can run at the maximum performance. So we want to go to search and search for NVIDIA app, the NVIDIA control panel, it doesn't matter. So NVIDIA app should be installed in your computer. If you want to install it, just go to your browser and search for NVIDIA app, and you can install it easily in your PC. Just open NVIDIA app, and from here you want to go to drivers and make sure you have the latest driver update. Okay, and go to graphics, and from here you want to go to global settings, and you want to change the power management mode to prefer maximum performance. That's it. And once you've done that, just restart your computer and you are ready to go. And if you want more tweaks, and you can watch my videos, links will be in the description below. Also for the NVIDIA control panel, if you want to know how to increase the GPU performance and boost your FPS, you wanna watch the video in my channel. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope this will fix your bottleneck and reduce your CPU usage. And if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment below, and thank you for watching. See you next time.